Hi, so I'm Richard McClellan, Director at Digit9 Tech Labs, based out of the UK. We're a biometric technology development company, and we do a range of software and hardware applications using biometric technology such as facial recognition, fingerprint, voice recognition. We have our own AI deep learning facial recognition algorithm, headquartered in Sydney, Australia, with offices in the UAE, Singapore, and the UK. So I'll just show you some of our solutions. So this is one of our facial recognition terminals that can be used for access control on high-end residential or commercial premises. Can be standalone or linked to servers, uses TCP, Wiegand, relays output. This moves on to a more robust unit that's sort of used in very high-end commercial applications such as custodial, prisons, stadiums. It uses multispectral imaging fingerprint technology, which is very high performing and goes several layers below the skin over other technologies. So if you've got dirty hands, worn, grime, dirt, it performs very high in those challenging conditions. And then this is one of our higher end products that does facial recognition and workflow management, again in a number of different applications such as banking and finance, custodial, and many others around the world. So for more information, visit digit9techlabs.com.